You may recall a food plot that I put in for my buddy Tony a few months ago. Well, take a look at this. You can see, boy, it worked great. He planted clover and the deer absolutely love it. And that makes Tony happy, so it makes me happy. Hey, if you enjoy our videos, we sure would appreciate a thumbs up right here. Thank you for watching. Well, welcome back to Tractors in Life. I'm Kevin. We've got an interesting episode for you. I've talked before about the total metamorphosis that we go through up here in Western New York. We're just outside of Buffalo, and you hear Buffalo, you hear the white stuff, right? Snow, tons of snow. We live in igloos. Well, it's not quite that bad, but you do have to be prepared. And you've seen the last couple of videos how I'm working on getting the tractor prepared. Well, today, I'm working on the property and a bunch of things associated with this. As a matter of fact, I just got a call that the awning company is coming, and we've got a big canvas awning over our patio in the back of the house. They're going to be taking that down. So that means that we've got to get all the lawn furniture packed up. I use the trailer for that and store it on the trailer. And then, well, then you'll see them taking down the awning. But also, it's that time of year where leaves are falling. I just did the final cut of the lawn yesterday. So now I've got to get the lawn sweeper down and get it set up. And last year, as I was driving along, I caught the corner of the sweeper on the garden and didn't destroy it, but did a lot of damage, so we've got to fix that. And then also, you guys know about my OCD and liking to have things clean and neat and organized. I'm going to show you something that I'm really excited about as far as tool organization. You'll want to stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for joining us. God bless you all, and let's get to work. Well, last night I got a call that they are coming today to take down the awning. Yeah, that goes up usually in April and comes down in October. It's not meant to take snow load. It'll take 120 mile an hour winds, but it won't take snow load. So we have to have it taken down every year and then put back up in the spring. Kind of a rite of passage. This kind of means the end of summer today. So what we got to do is we normally store all of that furniture on the trailer. So that's what Brian and I are going to be doing this morning. And yeah, it's been nice, but it's time for winter. What I need you to do is to be like back here, wherever you think I need help. All right, yeah, tarp was a perfect length, but wider than we wanted. But as you could see, it's stuck between the house and the fence and the barn, so I think it's going to be pretty protected from wind. You know, honestly, in years past, I've never even tarped it. This year, I just figured, what the heck, I'd go ahead and tarp it. Patio is cleared off and ready for these guys to arrive. Yeah, we bid it a sad farewell. We really do. It's, like I said, it really signifies change of seasons for us. That's okay. Love fall, love winter. All right, so as you saw, I got the sweeper down because it is that time of year to where I'm going to need to use it. Yeah, this thing's a mess. This is bent. This was bent. It's one of the side rails. I took it over in the press, hydraulic press, and straightened it. I'm gonna try to do the same thing with this one. This may be a little more difficult, we'll see. Yeah, that's pretty good. The sweeper works great, but you can't run into things with it. And that's what I did last year. This thing says John Deere on it. It's not John Deere. It's made by AgriFab. Nothing wrong with their construction, more the operator. So I'm having trouble with this spreader. I took that wheel off and greased it. There's like a little spline in there and it seemed to be off center, so I greased it real well. That's turning pretty good now. This one is turning, but I want to pull it off and grease it as well. You know, this worked fine when I took it off in the fall, other than kind of smashing it up. But, you know, like anything else, equipment sits, it's just not good for it. So that's okay, we'll get it going. So it's just a plastic gear, and this little gear right here seemed to be tilted on the other one. So what I'm doing is I'm going to grease it. I'm going to grease the center hub as well. And I think this is going to do it. Put a little grease on the bearing. Yeah, much better. All right, let's see how it is on the ground. Oh yeah, much better. All right. You're actually not going to do leaves today because tomorrow I'm cutting the grass for the final time. And then after that, it'll be all using the sweeper. But yeah, it seems to be working okay. I just need to try not to destroy it this year. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this. This is where I keep DeWalt batteries and tools and my Echo batteries, Ego batteries, I should say, Stihl batteries. Well, I've kind of outgrown this. I now have battery powered tools stored in a couple different places in the shop, and I want to get them all centrally located. So what I've got is basically the same system, but it's about almost 50% larger than this, which will allow me to store more tools. I don't like unboxing videos. I'm not gonna go through this and show you the assembly, but you see the before. All right, so here's the finished product. This worked out great. I have all my batteries, my Stihl batteries, my Ego, my DeWalt, the cordless DeWalt tools, even some of the bigger stuff. And then I've got my work lights as well up there. Yeah, I'm happy with this. I'll put a link in the description. I just think it really helps towards organizing, which you guys all know how anal I am, and just love having things organized. I just want to be able to find stuff. I probably shouldn't be as excited as I am about this tool organizer, but that stuff just turns me on. I just like to be able to find things. I hope you enjoyed this video. We've got a lot more preparation that we need to do. You'll see this around the beginning of November. I'm in pretty good shape. Still got quite a few things to do. Yeah, the tractor's sitting on the trickle charger and ready to plow some snow. Hey, thank you so much for joining us. God bless you all. We'll see you next time on Tractors in Life.